Hello YouTube, welcome back, and well, here she is. She's all finished, decaled and weathered and the whole 9 yards. It's a beautiful kit. I highly recommend it. It took me about, combination of maybe 16 hours to build. Considering my situation with having a baby and everything, but it is a fast, fun build. I really truly enjoyed it. I recommend it for all kinds of modelers, beginners to advanced modelers. I got a little carried away with the weathering, but it was just part of my fun. Is it a show quality bird? No. There's a lot of flaws in it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna switch views, grab the camera. So I apologize, I'm not really the greatest cameraman out there, but that way I can show you in detail the final result. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. So you guys could see the pre-shading and post-shading shows really nice. The canopy is not glued. You guys could see the weathering. I didn't go too crazy with the let me turn it around. Too crazy with the weathering. As you guys could see, it's got light chipping. Like I said, I didn't want to go too bananas with it. See the canopy. The canopy is not glued. Door. The rockets, I got a little carried away with chipping on the tips right here, but I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna throw some color more because they don't really look like that. But the exhaust, the exhaust thing, I gotta practice on that. Well, not only that, but this airbrush is not good for for detailing, but you guys could see it. I weathered the exhaust a little bit, not too much. I wanted a weather look, but not too over the top. And as you guys could see, the wings. Now let me remove the canopy because it's not glued. Putting these decals that was fun. But as you guys can see, it adds a lot. Here's the other. This is the closed canopy, and they look exactly the same. They just have the closed canopy has an extra little tab right here, but they look exactly the same. But you can see how much it adds, just by putting those decals. So if it breaks, it breaks. Believe me, I've glued these wings so many times that is not even funny. But I want to show you guys the bottom, not too much. You guys could see I went back with the airbrush and I just added a little bit of post shading and dirty it up. I think the bottom of the aircraft is what gets most of the dirt. But here she is, guys. Let me zoom in and see if maybe we could look at the cockpit. That's why I'm like, you might not need any aftermarket on the cockpit, because if you're doing it with the wings folded. But you guys could see the cockpit right there. Nothing too special. The seat belts do add a lot. I could have gotten a lot more color in there, but then I realized how the cockpit is kind of hidden behind the wings, and I don't want to spend too much time with it. Okay, but I hope you guys like it. Any suggestions, comments are always welcome. Okay, I apologize for the way I've built this kit so fast, and you guys didn't actually see me build it. It's just updates, but that's the way that I could do it right now. as soon as things get back to normal, you know, I will start showing how I build my models and stuff. So hopefully you guys like it, and like I said, any comments are always welcome. You know, I really enjoy your comments, your encouragement. It keeps me going. Okay, but this is how the aircraft looks. The landing gear, it's kind of spread apart. That's an easy fix. You know, you just gotta maybe tuck it in a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking this model to our judging clinic for our IPMS judging clinic, and they're just gonna tear apart. I mean, they're gonna tell me every little mistake that I made, because that's one, it helps me, and the other thing, it's also helping me judge aircraft, which I'll be doing on our current contest coming up in November. So hopefully, you know, I didn't make too many mistakes. I know I made some, but it was fun. That was the whole thing. That was the whole purpose. It's just having fun and, you know, getting my mojo back. And this kit is so nice and fun to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Louis, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.